But it's much better, of course. Much better than before. I don't want to get that side wet. Okay, time to dry up and get the heck out of here. I'm gonna turn off the water now. There you go. I'm gonna wind up this cord. So that's pretty much it. I'm done. Well, I'm not done. I still have to dry the Mini, but get the gist of it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked this little video. It's always fun to wash my car. Subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like, and maybe I'll have another video by the end of the day today, who knows. Thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye. Subscribe and comment.